Have you ever applied for a mortgage, a credit card, or a loan, only to wonder why lenders decide whether to approve you or why your interest rate can change unexpectedly? Behind these decisions are what is called credit reference agencies. These are companies that hold your credit history and generate your credit score. There are two types of credit rating agencies: those that rate governments and companies internationally, like Moody's and S&P. And there are those that track your personal credit history here in the UK. These are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Today, we are focusing on the latter because these directly impact your finances. In the UK, the three major credit reporting agencies are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Today, I'm going to explain how they work, what they look at, and why understanding this can help you take control of your personal finance. Hello, I'm Yemi, your financial coach and guide to smart money decisions. Before we dive in, if you want to learn more practical tips on improving your credit and managing your money better, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell now so you don't miss future videos. So, why should you care about credit reference agencies? This is because your credit report and credit score affect almost every big financial decisions you make, from whether you get a mortgage to the interest rates you pay or even getting a mobile phone contract. Therefore, in this video, I will cover what credit reference agencies actually do, how they collect and use the data to create your credit report and score, and most importantly, how you can check and improve your credit score to save money. By the end of this video, you will understand your credit profile better and be more confident navigating your personal finances. Credit reference agencies, or CRAs, are companies that collect information about your financial history, like loans, credit card, payments record, and public data. They gather your data from lenders and public records, then use this to build your credit report, which is a detailed file of your borrowing history. Based on the information gathered, they calculate your credit score, which is a number lenders use to determine how risky it is to lend to you. The higher your score, the more likely you are to get good credit deals. CRAs get information from banks, credit card companies, mortgage lenders, utility companies, and even councils if you've had debt. They also record things like whether you pay on time, length of your credit history, recent applications for credits, and any missed payment or defaults. However, they don't keep everything forever. Usually, the data stays on your report for 6 years. Based on this, they calculate your credit score, which can range roughly from 0 to 999 depending on the agencies. A higher score means you are seen as a lower risk. But remember, each CRA uses its own scoring system, so your score can differ between them. Your credit score is a key factor that lenders look at when you apply for mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, mobile contracts, and even some rental agreements. A good score means you are more likely to get approved and pay lower interest rates. However, a poor score may result in a higher rate or even being declined. So, your credit score can save you or cost you thousands of pounds over time. Luckily, you can check your credit report and score for free with each of these three CRAs. Services like Experian Free Plan, Clear Score, which is powered by Equifax, And Credit Karma, powered by TransUnion, lets you see your report and score anytime for free. So if you spot any error, you can dispute and make corrections as required. I will encourage you to create an account with these 3 companies today if you haven't already. To improve your credit score, pay your bills on time, keep credit card balances low, usually below 30% utilization. Avoid too many credit applications in a short time. Keep old accounts open to lengthen your credit history. These habits show lenders you are responsible and it will help boost your score over time. Quick tip: don't be tempted to apply for lots of credit card in a short space of time. While checking your report is a soft check and doesn't hurt your score, applying for multiple credit cards in a short period can lower your score. So be smart and be patient with your credit journey. I hope this helps you understand how Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion work and why your credit report and score are so important. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial guides. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover a specific topic, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to check your credit reports regularly. It's one of the best steps you can take to protect your financial health. Thank you for watching. Remember, financial independence is a journey that starts with understanding, making smart choices, and staying consistent. I will see you in the next video.